Have you ever felt like just a number in a crowded classroom? Like the one-size-fits-all model of education just doesn't fit you? Well, what if I told you that by 2026, the entire system is about to get a massive upgrade? We're not talking about a few new smartboards. We're talking about a complete reimagining of how we learn, from the ground up. Get ready, because school as you know it is about to change forever. Imagine this, it's 2 a.m., and you're stuck on a brutal calculus problem. Your textbook is confusing, and your teacher is asleep. In the old days, you'd be out of luck. But in 2026, you simply open your device and say, "Hey, can you explain derivatives to me like I'm 5?" And instantly, your personal AI tutor comes to life. This isn't just a search engine. We're talking about incredibly advanced AI like Khan Academy's Kamigo or Google's LearnLM. These aren't just question and answer bots. They're your 24/7 academic sidekick. They can see where you're struggling, offer a different explanation, and then generate practice problems tailored specifically to your weak spots. Stuck on a concept? Your AI tutor might pull up a video, create an interactive simulation, or even rephrase the problem using an analogy based on your favorite video game. It knows your learning history, your pace, and your preferences. It's like having the world's most patient, knowledgeable, and available tutor, ready to help you at any moment for any subject. No more waiting with your hand raised. No more feeling embarrassed to ask a silly question. Just instant, personalized support designed to help you truly understand, not just memorize. This isn't a replacement for teachers. It's a superpower for students. This leads us to the next massive shift, truly personalized learning. For over a century, our education system has operated like an assembly line. Everyone gets the same lesson, at the same pace, on the same day, regardless of their individual strengths, weaknesses, or interests. It's wildly inefficient. But now AI is finally allowing us to break that mold. In the classroom of 2026, adaptive learning platforms are the new standard. Think of it like a personalized fitness plan, but for your brain. As you work through a lesson on, say, cellular biology, the platform is constantly analyzing your performance in real time. If you master mitosis in 5 minutes, it won't make you sit through another 20 minutes of review. Instead, it will instantly move you on to the next concept, maybe even offering an advanced challenge if you're flying through the material. But if you're struggling with meiosis, the system doesn't just mark you down. It adapts. It might offer a simpler visual guide, break the process into smaller steps, or provide a foundational review of prerequisite knowledge you might have missed. The curriculum is no longer a rigid path, but a dynamic, branching tree of knowledge. A student passionate about art could learn geometry through the principles of perspective in Renaissance paintings, while their friend who loves coding could learn the same concepts by programming shapes. The goal is the same mastery of geometry, but the journey is unique to each student. This approach doesn't just make learning more efficient. It makes it more engaging. It taps into natural curiosity, treating every student as an individual with unique potential, not just another seat to fill. Now let's take it a step further. What if you could stop just reading about history and actually step into it? What if you could walk through the streets of ancient Rome or stand on the surface of Mars during your science class? Welcome to the world of virtual and augmented reality classrooms. By 2026, VR and AR are no longer niche gadgets for gaming. They are revolutionary educational tools. Forget dusty textbooks and grainy documentaries. Imagine putting on a headset and finding yourself in a bustling Athenian marketplace, debating philosophy with a virtual Socrates. For your history lesson, you're not memorizing dates. You're on a quest. You're a spy during the Cold War, tasked with gathering intelligence by talking to virtual characters and analyzing period-accurate artifacts. In science, you're not just looking at a diagram of a human heart. You are shrinking down to the size of a blood cell and embarking on a journey through the circulatory system, witnessing firsthand how valves open and close. These aren't passive experiences. They are immersive, narrative-driven adventures that make learning feel like an epic game. Augmented reality will bring learning into our physical world. Point your device at a plant in your backyard, and an AR overlay will pop up, identifying the species and showing you its internal structure. Point it at a bridge, and you can see the physics of tension and compression visualized in real time. This technology transforms the world into a living classroom. It allows us to see the invisible, experience the impossible, and connect with knowledge on a visceral, emotional level. Learning becomes an adventure you live, not a lecture you endure. So, what does all this add up to? It's the end of the industrial era, assembly line model of education that was designed to create compliant factory workers. That world is gone, and our education system is finally catching up. The future of learning is flexible, personalized, and skill-oriented. The focus is shifting away from rote memorization and towards critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability, the very skills that are uniquely human and can't be automated. This new ecosystem, powered by AI tutors, adaptive platforms, and immersive realities, doesn't just create better test takers. It liberates human potential. It allows every student to pursue their passions, master skills at their own pace, and prepare for a future that we can't even fully imagine yet. It's just a shift from a system that teaches us what to think to one that teaches us how to learn for life. The classroom of 2026 isn't a place. It's a personalized journey of discovery. And it's a future that's arriving faster than you think. What part of this educational future are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts on whether these changes will truly revolutionize how we learn. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.